Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, at the bottom you're gonna see options like chat, calls, contact and settings. Tap on settings, then select your profile option, which is right below your private number. Tap on your profile, then select sign out from your screen. Then it's gonna ask you if they want to keep your history or delete history. Select one of those. Then you're gonna see you'll successfully sign out of Zangi. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.